That's the lesbian everyone is talking about.
She looks too calm for someone causing this much attention.
I thought she would be hiding by now.
No.
Look at her. She acts like none of this affects her. That's what makes people talk more.
People have been talking all morning. So it's true. They said she came here early.
She looks exhausted. Wouldn't you be? This whole thing is getting bigger. Khakhanwa Village never stays quiet.
Not with gossip like this. Everyone is watching her now. Even if they pretend not to. Shame.
I can hear all of them. They're not even trying to hide it. It's like I'm not human anymore.
Don't listen to them.
How do I not? They look at me like I did something wrong.
People talk when they don't understand.
And when do they ever stop?
When you stop giving their words power.
That sounds easier than it feels. Stay grounded. I'm here.
She needs rest.
And emotional support.
She's carrying too much alone.
Has her family been informed?
Only Gugu is with her.
That worries me. She is trying to stay strong. Sometimes that's when people break quietly. I'll check on her again. Don't leave her unsupported. I won't.
Fulufhelo! 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 She was just here. Fulufhelo!
No, she's not here. She was right here.
Where did she go? We have to find her.
I don't know. She was just sitting there.
She was right here. I only stepped away briefly.
Check near the side gate.
I'll check behind the clinic.
Maybe she left on purpose.
She has been under too much pressure. What if she couldn't handle it anymore? Stop speculating. Keep looking. She would not disappear like this.
You know her best.
And that is why I'm worried. She cannot be far. Search every corner. We are trying. Try harder.
Look near the fence. Fulufhelo. This is not like her.
What if something happened?
No assumptions. Just search.
I'm checking the road.
Nothing here yet. Keep looking. She must be nearby.
Nothing behind the clinic. Nothing near the road. She's nowhere. We checked everywhere nearby.
Fulufhelo, please answer.
Keep checking.
What if she went home?
She wasn't in the condition to walk far.
That makes this worse.
Find her. Immediately. Hello, SAPS?
Yes, how may we assist?
This is Nurse Mulauzi from Mulenzhe Clinic, Khakhanwa Village. I need to report a patient who cannot be located.
Please explain.
Female patient, named Fulufhelo. She was waiting outside after consultation. She is no longer on clinic grounds.
Did anyone see her leave?
No,
Has anyone checked whether she went home?
not yet.
She may have left voluntarily.
At this stage, this is not yet classified as a missing person.
But her disappearance is unusual.
If she does not return or cannot be located, report again after 24 hours.
Understood.
What did they say? They said we must first confirm she did not go home. Maybe she left quietly. Or maybe she was overwhelmed. Fulufhelo would not leave without saying something. Someone needs to check her home immediately.
New update on the Mulenzhe Clinic case. What now? The female linked to the case is missing.
Fulufhelo?
Yes, she cannot be located, so she's missing. Investigation continues.
She cannot just disappear like this. We are still searching every direction. People are saying strange things already.
Some say she left on purpose.
Stop that. You don't know her.
We are just saying what people are saying.
Speculation is not helping.
Then where is she?
We will find her. Why is everyone outside like this? Fulufhelo is missing.
What did you just say? No one can find her.
Since when?
A few minutes ago.
And you're just standing here.
She was sitting here? Right here. And then she was gone. No one saw her leave. No one. That is impossible.
Everybody stop talking. Who was watching her?
People were just standing around.
That is not what I asked you.
We thought she was still here.
Thinking is not seeing. Someone must have seen something.
No one did.
It happened too fast. Then we are already late. She did not just vanish. No. Something happened here.
Should we call the police again?
Call everyone who needs to be called.
This is only getting worse.
It already is. This is the last place we haven't checked. Maybe she came home quietly.
The house looks closed.
Fulufhelo! Open the gate. Fulufhelo, it's Gugu. Her phone is still off.
This is not normal.
I know. Fulufhelo!
I still don't see movement.
She should have answered by now. Fulufhelo! Something's wrong. Fulufhelo!
What if she never came home?
Don't start that. Then why is the house so quiet?
Is it locked?
Yes.
Maybe she's sleeping? Not with all this noise. Something feels wrong. I feel it too. Did they find her?
Not yet.
Then why come here now?
Because no one has checked here yet. We should have come sooner.
Let's just hope she's inside.
We can't keep waiting.
You want to force entry?
Wait, what are we waiting for? She might be inside or not.
Stand back.
Do it, please.
Ready?
It's open.
Why is it so quiet? Stay behind me. I don't like this.
Neither do I.
Fulufhelo?
The door is shut. No lights. This house feels empty. Should we go inside? First knock.
Fulufhelo!
Wait, what? It's unlocked.
Unlocked? That's not normal. Open it.
Fulufhelo? Say something.
I can't see anything. Should we enter?
Stay close.
Fulufhelo! Nav, let me check her! What happened to her? Is she alive? She's breathing. Help me turn her.
She's breathing.
Call an ambulance now!
I'm calling!
She left something.
Read it.
I didn't want this. I stayed silent because I was scared.
She carried it alone.
I was hurt, and no one saw it.
Don't say it out loud here.
They don't know what she went through.
Maybe this is because of all that lesbian talk. People said she's confused.
And pregnant too. How?
Enough.
You don't know anything. She is not what you think she is.
Then what is she?
Someone who suffered in silence.
No more silence.
She will survive this.
Move! Give space!
She's inside! Please help her!
She is stable but unconscious. Prepare stretcher.
What happened to her? She suffered alone.
Help us lift her.
You're safe now.
Please don't leave us. We didn't know it was this serious.
We said things about her. She was not okay. We called her names.
Now you see, words almost killed her before this did.
This note is not the end of her story. She will wake up. She must.
We didn't know the truth.
But I will find out who broke her.